Welcome to BioInfo. Today, we dive into the world of cutting-edge robotics and the latest humanoid creations that are shaping our future. First up, meet the Chinese humanoid robot PM01, developed by Shenzhen Robotics. This futuristic machine has already secured a job as a police officer at a local police station. Acting as a robotic enforcer, PM01 will patrol the streets, detect violations, and even apprehend criminals. Designed for both commercial and educational applications, it boasts an impressive 320-degree waist rotation, allowing it to adapt seamlessly to various tasks. Standing at 138 centimeters tall and weighing around 40 kilograms, PM01 combines mechanical and anthropomorphic walking for smooth, natural movements. Adding to its high-tech appeal, the robot features an interactive screen inspired by Iron Man's control interface, making user interaction intuitive and engaging. What are your thoughts on robotic police officers like PM01? Let us know in the comments. Moving on, the Chinese company Robot Era has unveiled the advanced capabilities of its humanoid robot, Star 1. In a remarkable demonstration, Star 1 became the first humanoid robot to master the use of chopsticks. It also successfully poured wine and clinked glasses, closely mimicking human gestures. But that's not all. It even showcased its culinary talents by making dumplings and steaming baijiu buns. These precise, lifelike movements are made possible by its 7-axis bionic arms and 12 AI-driven hands. Standing at 171 centimeters with 55 degrees of freedom, Star 1 previously set a speed record for bipedal robots at 3.6 meters per second. Its latest achievements in hand dexterity open up new possibilities in the service industry, from food preparation to social interactions. Next, after a long hiatus, the Canadian company Sanctuary AI is back with its humanoid robot, Phoenix, now equipped with state-of-the-art tactile sensors. These advanced sensors grant the robot a sense of touch, allowing it to perform intricate tasks with remarkable precision. Operators can even control Phoenix remotely in telepresence mode. Standing at 170 centimeters and weighing 70 kilograms, Phoenix can lift up to 25 kilograms with ease. Its powerful AI system, Carbon, translates natural language commands into real-world actions, making it highly adaptable across different industries. With 20 degrees of freedom in its hands, Phoenix continues to push the boundaries of AI-driven robotics. Now, let's talk about Aria, the ultra-realistic robotic doll developed by Realbotic. Designed to closely resemble a human, Aria is equipped with features that make it a potential companion for lonely individuals. Priced at $175,000, this robotic marvel can move its limbs and rotate on a circular platform. More than just an interactive figure, Aria can engage in meaningful conversations and recognize faces using built-in cameras. It can even observe your actions, like noticing when you're eating an apple and asking how it tastes. A unique feature of Aria is its interchangeable facial design, allowing users to swap faces with ease. However, Aria isn't alone in this field. Chinese engineers are also working on ultra-realistic robotic companions, such as the RZR doll series. These AI-powered robots offer lifelike skin textures, meticulously crafted facial features, and conversation capabilities, with prices ranging from $2,000 to $5,000. Shifting gears, the California-based company Figure has introduced Helix, a universal control system for humanoid robots. This AI-driven framework enables robots to process visual perception, understand language, and execute commands seamlessly. Under Helix's control, robots can manipulate various objects, even those they have never encountered before, using simple voice instructions. Figure has also refined its robotic parcel sorting model, surpassing human efficiency. The humanoid robot, Figure 02, stands at 167 centimeters, weighs 70 kilograms, and moves at 1.2 meters per second, while lifting up to 20 kilograms. Its energy-efficient power system allows for extended autonomous operation. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and machine learning, Figure 02 is designed for tasks ranging from industrial labor to household services. Meanwhile, in the field of robotic security, American company Ghost Robotics is making waves with its quadrupedal robotic dog, Vision 60. Recently, the company conducted tests where Vision 60 successfully handled target shooting, positioning it as a formidable competitor to similar Chinese models. Designed for rugged environments, this four-legged machine can carry loads up to 10 kilograms and navigate challenging terrains, including water obstacles. The British Army has already tested Vision 60, signaling growing military interest in robotic dogs as multifunctional combat assets. With its new weaponized capabilities, Vision 60 is evolving into a serious battlefield force. And finally, robotics meets entertainment. Scientists from the Institute of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence recently staged an incredible performance featuring two robotic dogs performing the tango. Developed by Boston Dynamics, these quadrupedal robots are equipped with advanced stabilization systems and machine learning algorithms, allowing them to move in sync with the music. Their AI-driven capabilities enable real-time rhythm analysis, adapting their movements just like human dancers. Additionally, these robotic dogs can grasp objects, juggle, and even support each other during complex choreography. What was your favorite robotic innovation from this video? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to BioInfo, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in robotics. See you next time.